I'm honored to accept the 2025 US ISPF Global Leadership Award. I extend my gratitude to the US ISPF and to all of you distinguished guests gathered here tonight. And I believe that this recognition in some ways is a powerful reminder of the extraordinary potential of the India-US partnership. In my view, the United States and India represent the two most dynamic economies in the world today. For us, the perma-bets or permanent bets, as we call it at the Aditya Birla Group. Both are driven by innovation, talent, and the sheer force of entrepreneurial ambition. The synergies between our two nations across trade, technology, and manufacturing are essential to shaping a more prosperous global future. At the Aditya Birla Group, we believe that the United States is an incredibly attractive location for long-term investment, and we are very proud to be the largest Indian investor in the US. Our journey in this market started 18 years ago when we acquired what was then a loss-making aluminum rolling company called Novelis. Today, Novelis alone is an $18 billion behemoth with an annual capacity of 4.1 million tons, and more striking still, it is the world's largest aluminum recycling company, recycling 82 billion cans annually. Each time I visit the US, I'm reminded of why it is the land of opportunity, and we continue to back that belief with action. At Bay Minette in Alabama, we have an ongoing project of $4.1 billion for an integrated aluminum rolling mill, a 3,000-acre testament to our ambition. This is our largest greenfield venture in any location, anywhere on the planet. We chose America because we believe in the strength, in the stability and promise of this nation. This is the biggest industrial bet ever placed in Alabama's history. And today, over 1,000 contractors are shaping that vision on the ground as we speak. And by the end of this year, we expect that number to double. I see this plant as a real catalyst for the region, 1,000 permanent jobs, a resurgent local economy, new roads, a hotel under construction, developers lining up. Our commitment, frankly, is beyond just capital. We are investing in people and we are investing in communities and long-term impact.